Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. Today we are going to see the recipe of seekh kabab. Seekh kababs are cooked on a charcoal fire. But in this video we are going to see how we can make these delicious seekh kababs at home in a simplest way. So let's have a look at the recipe. Here we have 500 grams of minced chicken. To this add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of amchur powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, some lemon juice, one tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Then add some chopped coriander and mint leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, and mix everything well. I forgot to add salt. Add salt as per taste and give it a nice mix. All the spices should be well combined with the minced chicken. The mixture for the seekh kebab is ready. Now grease your palms with oil. Take a portion of the prepared mixture and shape the kebabs on a skewer. Now heat a non-stick pan or tawa, apply some oil and place the kebabs on it. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the lid and flip the kebabs. Just remember that the flame should be low. Again cover it and let it cook for some time. Then again flip the kebabs. The delicious seekh kebabs are getting cooked now. You can brush some oil if needed. Let the kebabs cook from all sides. The seekh kebabs are ready. These seekh kebabs has turned out very juicy and delicious. Serve the delicious seekh kebabs. Try this simple recipe of restaurant style seekh kebab and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.